Welcome, 7th grade science people. Today, you are going to work through something a little bit new. We are going to do a hyperdoc. I don't know if any of you have worked with one before, but I'm going to walk you through how to use it and what you're going to do with it. So today we're looking at cell organelles. So here is your document. It is on today's page on your PowerSchool all ready for you. Okay, all you have to do, you can make this go full screen, which is going to be very helpful, but you will just work your way through. Okay, what are you doing? Advanced, there we go. So cells are like factories. So here is the very beginning of it. It's where you're going to kind of learn about all the different types of cell organelles. The directions are going to be on the page. So when you look at this one, it says click on the image to read about the role each organelle plays. So click on the image. And amazingly enough, I keep hearing noises. It takes you to the page. So here is our page. You're going to read through this article about cell organelles and what each role is inside the cell. When you're done, you're going to head back to your PowerSchool and you'll advance to the next slide. It's a video. You're going to watch the video. It can be done right there. All you have to do is click play. You're going to advance to the next slide. This one is a Padlet. It wants you to choose 5 organelles that you've learned about between the reading and the video. And you are going to create a box on the Padlet. And in each box, one box for each organelle. So that would be a 5-box total for you on Padlet. In each box, you're going to put the organelle. You're going to tell me its function, and you're going to go onto Google and search for an image of this organelle. And if you click here on the notepad, it will take you directly to your Padlet that you are going to create with your classmates. When you've got your 5 boxes on Padlet with your pictures and their function, you choose 5, remember. You're going to come back here and you're going to keep going forward. Okay, here is an animal cell. Animal cells and plant cells are a little different. There's a video for you to watch. Watch the video that goes to the animal cell. After you watch the video, there is kind of a game, I guess you would call it, attached to this, where you are going to go through and practice labeling and identifying the organelles. Oh my goodness, excuse me. Okay, so you're going to identify and label the organelles here. Advance one more slide, plant cells turn, play the video, then go through this same kind of game. It's the same web browser, same company, and you're going to practice labeling the plant cell organelles. When you are done, you've worked your way through the hyperdoc and you are done. Have a good day.